Last year, I made a video testing Prezi AI, and at the time, I thought it was one of the strongest AI presentation tools out there. But AI moves fast and a lot has changed since then, so I went back. What I found was not a small update. It's not a new feature or two, it genuinely feels like a completely different tool. So today I'm going to show you exactly what's new and why I think it's worth your attention again. Prezi has added AI features that can do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. Generating a presentation from a prompt, turning a document into a full deck, aligning everything to your own branding, and the results look a lot more clean and polished than what you probably picture when you think of Prezi. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is the most straightforward way to use Prezi AI. After logging in, you can make a Prezi by clicking on Create New and then choosing the new Prezi AI. This will take you to a new page where you can add your prompt. For example, I want to create one about ocean exploration. There's a 14-day free trial if you want to try it out, and I've left the link in the description box of this video. Now, before you click generate, let's click on choose your designer. This is one of the things that immediately felt different to me, because you're not just picking a template color, you're picking a design personality. At the moment, there are 4. Each of one has a different design style, so you have a lot of different options. On top of that, you pick a style, or you can think of it as choosing a theme, which controls the overall visual feel within that designer's world. I'm going to go with this designer and choose the Craft Studio style. And then we hit generate. And after a couple of minutes, we have our presentation done. And honestly, I think the result looks really good. We even have some custom illustrations for each slide. Now, this wouldn't be a Prezi without the iconic transitions. So if you go back to the first page, here we'll have an overview of all the slides. And if you click on present, you won't get the static slides that you would get in other programs. You get a dynamic canvas that guides you from one slide to the next, which looks really cool. However, if you feel like it's too dynamic, you can also click on slides here, and that way you have the option to present it in a traditional slide view format. Now, for a quick prompt, I think that was genuinely impressive, but now let's push it further. Okay, so the second thing I want to show you is what happens when you give it something more substantial to work with, because this is where it gets really interesting. This time, instead of typing a prompt, I'm going to upload a file. Prezi accepts PDFs, PowerPoint files, and images. So whatever you have on your desktop is covered. I'm uploading this PDF right here, which is an essay about how AI is changing the presentation design landscape, which is something a lot closer to what I actually do. This time I'll pick a different designer. I'll go with this geometric bold template. And before I click generate, I want to add my own branding. This is my current website, so I wanted to pull the colors and the fonts for this presentation. So I'll copy the URL, and then on Prezi, let's click on add your branding. And here I'll paste it. And Prezi pulls in the colors, fonts, and the logo automatically. That's it. No hex codes, no manual setup or anything. I'll add a quick prompt asking it to create a Prezi with the content of my document and then hit on generate. So we went from a raw PDF to a full presentation. Prezi broke down each section of the essay into its own dedicated slide, and the branding is also here. My color and fonts were pulled straight from my website, so it looks like something that belongs to my brand. So Prezi didn't just copy and paste the text, it actually made decisions about what gets a slide, what gets combined. It also defined a text hierarchy, and actually, I think it looks pretty good. Okay, so once the presentation is generated, you can make major changes through this chat box. And this applies whether you started from a prompt or from a document. This is major because with this update, it's never been easier or faster to create or edit your presentations instead of having to do everything manually. So just imagine how much time you can save making amendments to your presentation. For example, this slide, I think that the layout is okay, but it should look a little bit more like a statement. So first, click on the edit button on the slide. Now the chat box will know exactly which slide you're trying to edit. And then you can type in your request. I'll ask it to redesign this slide so it looks like a statement. and in just a few seconds, that's done. You can ask for any changes you like and it will understand what you need. It's not going to do everything perfectly on the first try, same as any other AI tool, but the back and forth is fast, and for most adjustments, you're only 1 or 2 prompts away from where you want to be. Now, if you need to make more specific changes, like editing the text directly or moving elements around, here's how you can do that. First, click on the export button and then click on Prezi Editor, and then export it to Prezi Editor. And from here, you can make any changes that you like editing the content of each slide or moving elements around, adding images, adding animations, and more. Okay, so once your presentation is where you want it, let's talk about the export options. You can present directly from Prezi, which is great because you get that dynamic movement to guide your audience's attention from one slide to another, which honestly still looks very impressive. But if you need a more traditional format, you can now export it as a PDF or a PowerPoint file. Just know that the transitions will get lost in the process. Okay, so here's my honest take. I made a video about Prezi last year, and even then I thought it was a solid tool, but what they've done since is a genuine improvement. Prezi really surprised me with all the new AI features, and I can see so many use cases for this. If you have a presentation for school, if you're a teacher, a professional, you can create all sorts of presentations in seconds. Whether you're starting from a prompt or uploading your own document, the output is fast, the designs look pretty good, and the dynamic format is still the thing that makes it different from everything else. There's a reason why Prezi has over 170 million users and over 500 million presentations. So if you found this useful, remember there's a 14-day free trial linked in the description box below, and make sure to subscribe to the channel because I test these tools so you don't have to. I'll see you in my next video.